You can think about it, okay? In a personal injury case, everybody has the right to be free from bodily harm. That's the first thing, bodily harm, free from bodily harm, okay? What do you think a personal injury case, what does the defendant have to do to have a case against the defendant? Anybody? Don't all you raise your hands all at one time. What do you think?
They have to breach duty?
That's it. They have to breach that duty. Okay, they got to put that person in jeopardy, and then the person has to, the third issue, the person has to have damages, injuries. If the third thing, injuries. Okay? And in reference to automobile, does anybody know what, there's usually conditions that are met when you're talking about those three things. But they're usually conditions that are met that you have to basically meet. And do you know what those conditions are in an automobile accident? Anybody?
Serious injury threshold?
You betcha. Section 5102 of the insurance law. If you take a look, I'm not really great with this stuff, but oh, you got the retainer statement too. There you go, the threshold. So you have to show death, dismemberment, significant disfigurement, a fracture, a loss of a fetus, a loss of a body organ system of function, a permanent consequential loss of a body organ system of function, a significant limitation of a body organ system of function, or an injury which results in you not being able to do what you'd ordinarily be able to do for a period of 90 days immediately after the accident. You have to meet those conditions. If you don't meet those conditions, what happens? And I'm going to ask you.
You can't bring a lawsuit.
That's right. It's gone. You don't make it. You don't make the threshold. You don't make Section 5102 of the insurance law. It's gone. So there are all sorts of issues, and we'll go into them in a way. Fantastic. He's good, Mike. Okay, so you put a line underneath there if we can. Okay? And what you can do is you can write UCARE. And if you could do it downward, so we can, yeah. And